If you're looking for a very simple way for you to increase the tips that you receive through Buy Me a Coffee, I would encourage you to watch this Squarespace tutorial. Without further ado, let's hop in. If you've never heard of Buy Me a Coffee, it is essentially an alternative to platforms like Patreon, and it is loved by over 1 million creators online. Creating a free Buy Me a Coffee landing page is a very simple way for your audience to support you, and there are so many different ways that you can leverage this tool. If you don't currently have a Buy Me a Coffee page and you would like to make one today, you can go to lashondabrown.com/buymeacoffee. Now, essentially, coffee tips are how Buy Me a Coffee got started, but over time, they expanded. I actually used Buy Me a Coffee as a way to beta test my membership, Bootstrap creators, and the Bootstrap Star students. Now, everything has migrated to Uscreen. You can check it out at bootstrapbizadvice.com, but this is a fantastic way for you to see if your community is interested in a subscription-based model to support your business. You can also leverage the shop and sell extras. This is how I sell my Flowdesk templates and other Canva templates to help my community. So there's so many things that you can do with this platform, but I started to see an increase in tips when I made this very simple change to my Squarespace website. If you go to lashondabrown.com and you look in the bottom right-hand corner, you're going to see a brown coffee cup. When you click on that, it's going to pop up and allow you to buy me a coffee without leaving the site. Now, this will essentially pull in your donation and put it into my Buy Me a Coffee account, but this is a widget that they make available for free in the back end of the platform. So I'm going to show you how to customize it and then how to install it on your Squarespace site. When you log into the back end of Buy Me a Coffee, you'll want to look under Settings and click on Buttons and Graphics. From there, you have a few options. You can simply create a website button and generate it there, but what we're going to do in this tutorial is actually leverage the website widget. From there, click on Generate, and then decide what you want the message to say. So you can add your widget message here, and when you're done, you can click on Generate Widget. Now, although there are color options on the right-hand side that will change the way the widget looks, if you're paying close attention, when you went to my website, it was actually one of my brand colors. And I'm going to show you how to have access to more than the 5 colors that you see on the right-hand side. So what you'll do is once you're ready, you'll click on Generate Widget, and that is going to produce a code that you will copy into Squarespace. So just click on Copy Code and then go into your Squarespace website backend. Now, I decided to put my widget in the footer. So if I click on Edit, you are going to see at the very bottom a code block. To add a code block, you'll just hover and click, and then select code. You can type it in into the search bar, or you can hover over code and click there. From there, you're going to have a space for you to paste in that code that we brought over from Buy Me a Coffee. Now, in order for me to change that color code to match my branding, I did need to make a slight edit to the code provided from Buy Me a Coffee. So what you're going to do is just scroll to the right-hand side until you see Data Color. And where you see the code for the color provided from Buy Me a Coffee, you can paste in the hex code of your branding color that you would like to replace it with. So if you make the change right here and you change that code, which you can easily find in platforms like Coolers or even in Canva, just paste it in there, and when you save the code, that is going to change the color, and that's all you have to do. So once that code is installed, it will display on the bottom right-hand side of your website. And even if you are looking at your website in mobile mode, you will still see the cup appear in the bottom right. I absolutely love Buy Me a Coffee, so there will be more tutorials coming in the future, but I hope this very simple tutorial encourages you to install it on your website and start to see more tips coming through. Because that code is not specific to Squarespace, you can use it on other platforms, but I hope this makes it a little bit easier for you to customize your Squarespace site today. Until next time, ta-ta for now.